If your business as a barber is not growing, it really just comes down to this one thing: cause and effect. Meaning the actions you're taking every single day are not going to get you the results that you're looking for in the growth of your business. If you're going through this right now, here's 4 simple steps on how to fix this today.
Step 1, identify where you're struggling at the most. You just really want to think about the actions and the habits that are causing these effects on your life. Step 2, quickly jot down the second and third order consequences of continuing to do these actions that lead to like your current struggles. And I want you to really think about not just how they're affecting you right now, but how are they going to affect you 6 months, 12 months, 5 years from now, your second and third order consequences. Think as far out as you can. Step 3, now I want you to brainstorm a new pathway or a different option like I did. And I want you to really critically think on this third option. What could you do to get the actual result that you desire in life? Write that new approach down right now. Step 4, write out the second and third order consequences of going in that third option and that new way that aligns with you more. Think about all these 3 options. Which one is the best pathway for you to take that's going to allow you to get that long-term growth? Because look, 5 years from now, you're going to be someplace. You're going to be in some reality. You're going to meet the person you 5 years at some point in time. What do you want to show up as? How do you want to be living your life? By doing this 4-step process, you're actually going to design where you're going to end up at in the next 5 years instead of just aimlessly wandering around.